Hold the diving board steady, Odie. We're almost done. There, let's fill her up. Okay, let's give it a try. Out of the way, dog paddler. I'll be the first to try our new swimming pool. And now, a double reverse, half gainer somersault with a backwards roll, a forwards roll, and for dessert, a cinnamon roll. Could we maybe check those assembly instructions again?
Ladies and gentlemen, Garfield and friends.
Friends are there
to help you get started, to give you a push on your way.
Friends are there
To turn you around, get your feet on the ground for a brand new day.
to pick you up when you're down.
Help you swallow your pride when something inside's got to break on through to the other side.
Friends are someone you can open up to
When you feel like you're ready to flip,
when you've got the world on your shoulders.
friends are there to give you a tip.
Friends are there when you need them. They're even there when you don't.
For a walk in the park or a shot in the dark, friends are there.
I don't care.
But friends will care for you.
You notice how every week I say something different here?
It says the cheetah can run at speeds of up to 70 miles per hour. 70 miles an hour? I can't believe a cat can move that fast. On second thought, let's keep the house clean, Garfield. A big comic book publisher is coming by to visit later and see my new idea.
Ahem.
If he buys my new idea, I could...
Ahem. Someone didn't get any food.
Pookie is a teddy bear. I'm not going to feed a useless, unreal creature with no brain.
You feed Odie. Want some dinner, Pookie? What? You don't like it? Here, I'll show you how good it is. What? You're on a diet. All right, I'll eat your dessert for you.
Mr. Mendelbaum has to like my new comic strip. I'd better finish cleaning the house before he gets here.
Time for our after-dinner pre-snack nap, Pookie. I'll set the alarm. Time to get up, Pookie. Pookie? Pookie is missing. Things are usually in the stupidest place you look. What's the stupidest place Pookie might be? Pookie? You in there? Pookie has vanished. Foul play, no doubt. This looks like a job for... the Caped Avenger. The first thing I need is a sidekick. Someone who's loyal, brave, and smart. All right, I'll settle for loyal and brave. But what will I call my loyal sidekick? All right, your name is Slurp. Now you need a costume. You've missed the point entirely. The Caped Avenger is hot on the trail. Nothing gets by me.
Oh, Garfield, I put Pookie in the wash.
No clue is too small.
Pookie was covered with lasagna stains, so I decided to launder him.
Whoever took Pookie covered his trail well, but I'll find him.
That must be Mr. Mendelbaum. Wish me luck, guys.
The master villain hasn't left a hint anywhere.
Huh?
We have to search everywhere, Slurp. Aha! It's just loaded with clues. And do you know what a good detective does? He digests every clue carefully. So... Slurp, you really need a costume if you're gonna work with me. still haven't grasped the principle behind this. Now, faithful sidekick, we...
I'm afraid not, Arbuckle. None of these ideas are any good.
How about this for a new comic book, sir? I call him Buddy Bear.
I especially hate bears. I would never buy a comic strip about a bear.
No bears. Right. Well, I have other ideas.
Loyal sidekick, where are you? Listen, loyal sidekick, don't you know the first rule? Never dress better than the hero. Shh! I found the mastermind behind the Pookie heist. See him there? Look at those beady eyes, that obvious criminal face.
Yeah?
No, not John, the other guy.
Let me get you some refreshments, Mr. Mendelbaum, sir.
You know, I'm glad we got rid of that stupid-looking bear.
Did you hear that? He got rid of a stupid-looking bear. Maybe it's not too late. Come on, Slurp.
I don't know. Every new comic strip I see is boring and old hat. Huh?
Ha, evildoer. Didn't think you'd have to pay for your misdeeds, did you? Well, you failed to reckon with the Caped Avenger.
What's going on here? Get off me, cat!
Not until you tell me what you've done with Pookie.
Look out!
Mr. Mendelbaum, what's wrong?
Now, are you going to tell me where Pookie is, or do I have to get ugly?
Garfield, go take a nap and get out of our way. And take Pookie with you. Here, he's fresh from the dryer.
Pookie! I knew the Caped Avenger would find you.
I'm so sorry, Mr. Mendelbaum.
Don't be sorry. That's a tremendous idea for a new comic book.
I'll never let you out of my sight again.
I want a whole comic book starring that crime-fighting house pet.
Beat it, Pook. I'm going to be a star.
You'll pay me to draw this comic?
Never mind him. I want a cut of the gross. My own dressing
A
room.
crime-fighting
Chauffeur
dog.
limo.
What a terrific
Table in the
idea.
commissary.
Is it a deal?
I want a 3-picture deal. Name above the title.
Just hold that pose a little longer, Odie.
From now on, Pookie, you're my new sidekick. You know enough not to upstage the hero. You smell good, too.
Gee, I wonder what's on the dark side of the barn.
You want to find out? Detective Pig here. Want me to investigate what's around the corner?
It's dangerous. No one has ever returned from the dark side of the barn.
Leave it to me. It was just a joke, guys. Guys? Oh, guys!
The first day of winter and the first snow of the season. I used to dislike snow, and I can't remember why. Oh, yeah. Now I remember. Oh, Dread. Oh, General Dread.
What's wrong, Wade?
I'm afraid of snow. It's cold, and there are avalanches and blizzards.
Oh, you don't like sun because of sunburns and rain because of floods.
That's right. Couldn't we just have no weather at all?
I'm gonna get this tractor working and plow some snow. You wanna ride with me?
Oh, perish the thought! I'm especially afraid of tractors. What if you accidentally put it in reverse?
I'm not gonna put it in reverse. Don't you say one word.
Did I say anything? Did I? I hate snow, especially when it's cold. Why couldn't we have it in July when it's warm?
Hi, cousin, Fred Duck. Awful glad to meet you. Nice place you got here, House Tricks.
Who are you?
Fred Duck, just on my way flying south for the winter. Got all my supplies and everything. Saw you down here and figured I'd stop, see if you wanted to come along. Better get a move on, though, fella.
I don't fly south for the winter.
You don't fly south for the winter?
I don't fly anywhere, anytime. It's scary.
Duck afraid to fly. What a maroon. What a whip. Hey, well, listen, I'm going to Florida to work on my tan, which, when you're covered with feathers, is no mean trick, believe you me. So long, chicken.
I am not a chicken. I'm going to fly. When you're walking on the ground, you can't deny if it's a better way to travel. Why not fly? Start looking all around. It's not hard to try to see everything that knows how to fly. Birds fly, words fly, even monarch butterflies fly. Ducks fly, hockey pucks fly, butterscotch pies and flies fly. Everyone thinks I'm a coward, and I resent it.
Wade, you are a coward.
That's why I resent it. I want to hide my head like him. He just sticks his head underground and hides his eyes. An ostrich can't fly no matter what he tries. I don't want to be a duck who sits and cries. Even garbage trucks and trousers both have flies. Get it? Trousers have flies.
A joke like that, maybe you have more guts than you think.
Birds fly, words fly, even monarch butterflies fly. Ducks fly, hockey pucks fly, butterscotch pies and flies fly. So why not I should fly, I should fly. I was right, I shouldn't fly.
Wade, are you all right?
Nothing damaged but my self-confidence. And it's not like I had much to begin with. Face it, ducks can fly, but chickens can't. And I am ever the latter.
Gee, Orson, can we do anything?
No, this is the kind of thing Wade's gonna have to solve for himself, even if it takes all winter.
First day of spring. No more snow. Where did that come from?
Hold on tight, Booker. We're celebrating spring today. You want some balloons, Wade?
I have naught to celebrate. Winter has passed me by without me flying.
Here, Bo, take these.
Wow, balloons! How cheery, man!
I have to start spring plowing. I had the tractor all...
Yeah! Help! I can't stop it!
Stop it! Pig needs help!
Not from I can't even help me.
Well, hold on to these then.
Here, Wade, hold these. Hold these, Wade. I gotta go help Orson. I'm of no use. I can't even learn to fly. I just have to face it. I will never soar through the skies. I am an earthbound disgrace to duckdom. Help! The ignition stuck! Boy, you get a good view from up here.
Hiya, cousin. Fancy meeting you up here.
Oh, hi, Fred. Fred!
Hey!
Where so long as it's down?
Me?
You know, I'd really rather not be alone up here.
I had to refill the gas tank.
We're coming to save you, Orson!
Yeah!
load the tractor so I can get to the engine and pull the fuel line.
Ah, you fly with a parachute, Fred?
Quack, quack. Well, you never know who you're gonna run into up there. It's not like I'm afraid, you know.
Like you're a little chicken yourself.
I resent that.
Hey, everybody's afraid of something.
Wade, you're a hero, even if you are afraid of heights and everything else.
But I won't be afraid of heights if Fred will sell me the parachute.
Oh, maybe we can work a deal.
Orson, did you ever think you'd see Wade climb so high?
Nope, he's conquering his fear. Maybe next week you can go up 4 feet high.
Well, it's a start.
John's working his fingers to the bone planting a flower bed. Guess I'd better get out there and give those flowers the Garfield touch. Die, you daisy!
How do you like my new plastic flower garden, Garfield?
That's cheating!
I'll get it. The groceries. Let me see the bill. Here's your money. Canned salmon, $3. Tomatoes, $1.93. This is an outrage.
I want my lunch. Hey, I didn't mean you shouldn't cook it first. Odie kisses.
I can't believe these grocery bills. Why am I buying enough food for 20 people? Oh, right.
Tomato sauce, hamburger, mozzarella cheese, wide noodles. The potential for lasagna is very high.
I'm spending too much on groceries.
I know what John's gonna say. Food prices are astronomical.
Food prices are astronomical.
Now the when I lived on the farm speech.
When I lived on the farm, we always ate fresh vegetables. We should grow them here in the garden.
And now he'll forget all about it. Since when does John have ideas of his own?
I bought lettuce seeds, tomato seeds, radish seeds, cucumber seeds.
What? No nacho seeds? No chocolate layer cake seeds? Call me when it's food.
Just who do you think is going to do all this planting work? Oh no, I'm through buying groceries. If you don't work, you don't eat.
Hey, no fair dragging my stomach into this.
Radishes, carrots, and turnips turn up in the nicest places. Every day I see new faces in the garden. Spinach, tomatoes, and lettuce. Whisper, please don't let the bugs get us. Keep us safe and don't forget us in the garden. I'm the guardian of the garden. Everything depends on me. From the royal princely pumpkin to the tiniest princess pea in the garden.
Now, we need a few weeks of sun. I'm afraid that won't work. We have to let nature take its course.
Maybe if we took it all down to the tanning salon?
I think we have to resort to more drastic steps here. These garden shop seedlings will give us a head start. They cost a lot, but they'll be worth it.
You're wasting your time, fella. I think our yard has just been declared a cafeteria.
Garfield, Odie, I'm making it your job to keep those animals away from our new vegetables.
Guard duty. What fun. Okay, Odie, we'll work in shifts. You watch during the day, and I'll sleep at night. It's so easy.
Hey! Give that back! Odie!
A gopher hole. There's only one way to deal with this. We'll flush him out.
My garden! It's erupting!
What have you done? The garden is ruined. I give you one simple thing to do and you destroy all our hard work. I'm sorry, guys. I see you were just doing your duty. What's that, boy? A head of lettuce and some radishes. That's all we have left.
Better pick them before they end up in a gopher salad bar.
The way I figure it, with all the supplies I bought, that lettuce cost me $200 a leaf.
All that work and all that money for this? Oh well, let me have one of those $300 radishes.